Hi, my name is Tatiana. I am a lash artist and a serial entrepreneur. Thank you so much for watching my video today. And this video is all about the introduction to the lash industry. I've been a lash artist for 5 years now, and honestly, I've learned so much. But I'm starting a series about how to do lashes. Here is chapter 1. Before we continue, please do not forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching my video. I greatly appreciate it. Not only that, but do not forget, if you want to follow along with this video and all the videos to come, I do sell an ebook. The link is down below in my description box, and I sell it on my Etsy store, and it's basically the step-by-step process of just the lashing world, and it talks all about sanitation, allergies, marketing, business, curls, lengths, diameters, you name it. It's a very in-depth ebook with everything I'm going to be covering, not only in this video, but in my series of how to lash. Introduction. Many variations of eyelash extensions exist, such as strip lashes that are normally self-applied and individual lashes, which is what we will learn about today. Strips can be uncomfortable, easily recognizable, and most importantly, last a very short time. They look unnatural and consist of numerous lashes bonded together. When applied, they are put directly on the eyelid, which is your skin. Strips or clusters lashes are not intended for long wear. They are adhered using temporary glue. The natural hairs impacted by strips or clustered lashes will ultimately result in premature shedding of the lashes due to the stress. They cannot sustain long-term placement on the natural hairs. Clusters can become easily entangled and may cause discomfort, consisting of uniform thickness, meaning unnatural appearance and individual entanglement. Semi-permanent eyelash extensions. Individual eyelash extensions have a thicker base and a narrower tip, similar to your natural lashes, which allow them to appear realistic, also noticeable when missing. Only individual lashes, when hair applied correctly, give the ideal look, a natural full look. If you apply them the correct way, which you will learn today, they are undetectable to the naked eye. In addition, they are comfortable, long-lasting, lightweight, and have minimal impact to the natural lash. A little bit about eyelash extensions. The lashes are composed of single, silky synthetic hairs, which are attached to each individual lash. One lash at a time. In one session, 50 to 100 lashes per eye are applied for a full set. Of course, every person will vary, which will vary the amount of lashes applied. You can only put so many lashes on when a person has very few to choose from. We as lash artists customize the appearance for every individual. You will blend the lashes and fix the imperfections to the best of your ability. Lashes shed regularly, therefore the process must be repeated every 2 to 4 weeks. Some clients will last longer, but every 2 to 3 weeks is recommended. This stream of ongoing appointments not only gives your client optimal results, but provides you with a steady income, repeat clients, and just consistency overall. Like anything, there are factors which can hinder results, and it's your obligation to advise your clients what to do and what not to do. Steam, oil, makeup may cause the lashes to shed a little faster, along with the bond breaking sooner than intended. Once the lashes are applied, they are waterproof, but not oil-proof. You will learn more about this as we discuss further. Health and safety reminders. Be sure to disinfect all tools and reusable equipment application. To properly clean and disinfect tools, first wash them with lukewarm water. Afterwards, you dry them and put them inside barbicide for 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes are up, set them aside to dry in a clean, sanitized, covered area. Once dry, store them in a labeled clean container. Use a light cleanser to clean the lashes before procedure. A lash wash is included in your kit, or you can also create your own lash wash using Prolong. Always wash and sanitize your hands before, in between, and after procedures. Make sure your bed and workstations are clean and sanitized as well. Always place a clean tissue paper towel or dental bib on your workstation where your tools will be set up for client application. See image right here. This concludes Chapter 1's Introduction to Semi-Permanent Eyelash Extensions. Today, we went over lashes and the different styles there are, like strips and clusters versus semi-permanent lashes. And we also went over health and safety reminders. Next week, we will be going over lash bed sanitation, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Mwah.